What's up, guys? It's Prismatic X1, and in today's video we have a bunch of random packs to unpack. Hopefully by the time this video is posted, that Primal Origin First Edition box has landed. So that's going to be the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. This is not going to be a longer video. It's kind of a shorter video. Also, I have an announcement to make in this video. I just got these awesome playmats and custom playmats. There's only 3 available left. If you guys are interested, check out the description box below. All you gotta do is message me on my Instagram. Let me know if you're interested, and I can get one out to you. But also, guys, in the last video, if you guys haven't checked out, we have a giveaway. So definitely let's get that video to that 30 likes. So we can reach that giveaway. And if you guys enjoy this video, definitely like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, ding that notification bell so you get notified anytime we do an insane Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing. But let's start off with these Legendary Duelist Magical Hero and see if we can pull some Dark Magicians. I want the Dark Magicians, guys. Guys, we pulled Elemental Liquid, Hero, Soldiers. Hopefully I said that right. I don't think I did. And Magician Souls. So we're looking for those Dark Magicians. So let's get it going with the first packs. Here we go. And we have that awesome Toon Summon Skull to give us some support and energy. First pack, guys. Here we go. Hope everyone is having a great day. Gaga Samurai. Dark Magician Girl. Performance Pal. Elemental Hero Sunrise, guys. Let's go. We are off to a hot start. I was feeling it, guys. Let's go. And Zubababancho. Go. Guys, we got that Elemental Hero Sunrise. It's always good to see that sunrise. Smash that like button, guys. See, I talk about energy. We got that energy in the first pack. Let's go. Second pack. Skyscraper. Chronograph. Cosmic Blazer Dragon. Dark Magician Girl. And Magician Navigation. We're gonna keep it going. I've been waiting on that Primal Origin box, guys, so I cannot wait to do that. That's going to be the second booster box that's being opened on this channel. Ooh, and Magistry Alchemist as our holo. Very nice. And Scrap Iron Signal with a ding on top. And a ding on this one too, right here, guys. You see it? That wasn't very nice.
Nope.
But let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Cosmic Blazer Dragon. A Hero Lives. Dodo Buster. Dark Magical Circle. Secrets of Dark Magic. Can we pull those Dark Magicians? That's the card we're looking for. And I know it's pretty hard to pull. Quick Draw Synchron. Supreme King. Neurospatian. Onomonopara. Odd Eyes Wizard Dragon. Alright, guys, here we go. We are definitely on a roll right now. So let's keep it going. Give me your energy. Guys, and if you have any suggestions for like future videos, definitely let me know. I'm gonna start doing deck profiles and start talking about different deck combinations and whatnot. And you know, I'm just gonna try and make this profile more interesting for you guys. Tune in. That's a good card. Dark Magician Girl. Wing Karibo. Ooh, and favorite hero. Yes, sir. And another scrap iron signal. We are killing it. Here we go. Let's keep the energy going. Yugi! Skyscraper. Chronograph Sorcerer. Guys, in the comments below, definitely let me know what's your favorite Yu-Gi-Oh series. And for me, it has to be the original one because I grew up in that age. So I was a young kid when I was watching that. So it definitely is super nostalgic for me. And that's definitely one of my favorite series. But I did recently get into watching GX, which I recently enjoy. So definitely let me know what you guys like in the comments below. Come on, Dark Magicians. Can we do it for this video? Gaga Samurai. Ooh, an Elemental Hero, Honest Neos. Let's go. These packs are winding down. But can we pull those Dark Magicians? Give it to us. Smile Action. Go, Go, Go Giant. Cosmic Blazer Dragon. Ooh, and Soul Servant. Let's go. Smash that like button, guys. Yes, yes, sir. Kaiba comes through, Yugi comes through, and the Yugi gods come through when you say, give it to us. Dark Magician Girl. Smile Action. Neo Spacian Aqua Dolphin. Doppel Warrior, and Automato Pickup. All right, last two packs. Can we end with something epic? Let's do it. Win Karibo. Smile Action. Jet Synchron. Ooh, and another Elemental Hero, Honest Neos. Let's go. All right. Last pack, guys. Can the Yugi gods bless us with the last pack? Let's do it. With that Toon Summon Skull. Guys, if you're interested in this playmat, definitely hit my description box for the information on how to get your hands on this playmat. Here we go. Chronograph Sorcerer. Cosmic Blazer Dragon. Dark Magician Girl, Smile Action, and and Magician of Dark Illusion. So the Dark Magicians did not come through yet. But we're not done yet. We got these two last packs. Let's hit this Fist of the Gatral and see what we can do. Roster Lagger, Latency. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Gorilla, Brotherhood of Fire Fist Spirit, ooh, and Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Eagle. That looks crazy. All right, here we go. Breakers of Shadow, last pack. Let's end this video off with a bang. Breakers of Shadow. Shadows are with us. Brachion. Destruction Sword Flash. Ooh, and Buster Dragon. We got an ultra rare. Let's go. Smash the like button. We ended off on a high note, guys. Yes, sir. That's how we end epic videos off. Buster Dragon. Whoa. And ooh, and Rising Guy, the Fierce Knight. Robot Buster Destruction. Power Load, Dragon Buster, and Ceratops. We're back, guys, and we're gonna go over these crazy pulls that we just had in this short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Can't wait to get that booster box. So here we go. We pulled Magistry, Alchemist, 2 of these Elemental Hero Honest Neos. That Elemental Hero energy was with us today. Favorite Hero, Soul Servant, great pull. Elemental Hero Sunrise. We ended it off with that ultra rare Buster Dragon. Roster Lager, Latency, Gorilla, Spirit, and Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Eagle. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. Please hit that like button, and please, as always, subscribe. Ding that notification bell so you get notified anytime I do a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing video. But until then, guys, it's Prismatic X1, and it's been real.